What's up, guys? HD QuickFlix here. I'm at the stadium, and yeah, it's a bike week, and it is off the freaking hook. We got bikes everywhere. Parked way back there. We're gonna find my compadres, and yeah, we'll get some bike week stuff. As far as the eye can see, motorcycles everywhere. Say hi, hillbilly. What up? Hi, Honda Racer. What have we got here? Oh, so many beautiful bikes. Busy. It is so busy. That's alright. Everybody's got their eye protection on. Everybody's got everything the way it's supposed to be. Yeah. We're just going to do 2 laps and call it a day. Good job giving everybody unrowdy. That's great. Oh, still gonna fuck out those guys though. Yeah.
Oh my God.